What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail verification code problem. First off, head over to Yahoo by just simply typing in Yahoo at your Google or any browser. And then after coming to Yahoo on your right side, you will see the profile icon. But remember guys, if you are new to Yahoo, first off sign in with your email and password. And if you want to create a new Yahoo account, you can even create that by creating your email, the password, and other credentials. And if you already have a Yahoo account, you will be directly logged in to the Yahoo. And now from here, click on your profile, and then you will see the option of manage your account. Click on this. After clicking, you have to just sign in with your Google or Yahoo Mail. After logging in, you will see the option of security at the top. Click on this. And after coming to security, you will see your password, your two-step verification, and your access code. Just simply enable it. But before enabling it, make sure you have your recovery email and phone number up to date. Make sure, guys, to keep it up to date because sometimes that might be the problem for your mail verification code. After enabling it, you can just push the notification and it will ask you which method do you prefer, push notification, telephone number, authenticator app, or security key. I'll just select security key and then I'll hit next. So after that, I will just so as you can see, after I have set my passkey, now it has fixed the mail verification error. To make sure, guys, your email, your phone number, your recovery email, and your recovery phone number, everything is up to date. And this is how you can fix your Yahoo Mail verification code problem. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.